True. Yeah, true. Alright. So yesterday, right? That is what night before last night when I come from the hospital, right? I see a lot of people they on social media, that everybody, most of them when I see take up my business from them head. You understand? So I see them have a problem with me and my family. As if like we're not supposed to belong. You know them type of way they? Like them people are not belong here, so them people are not belong on earth. You understand what I say? And you know, me sit back and me look on a lot of things, because the thing is this, me upon my page, and believe you me not take up for them business. I don't know if you don't notice that. But I don't take up their business. Their business is not my business. You understand me? Anything me do on my account regarding me and my family. So when people spend so much time, I invest them time in a me and in a my business, which is what I don't have nothing to do with your business. I don't care. You understand? I don't care. I don't even know we're going over your page because it's not my business. You know what now? Yesterday, honestly, if you're a real woman, if you look on it, say, yo, man come in for me and my kids them. You understand what I say? Man in my community, you understand, tax me for money so me can be at my place. You understand? And nobody now look on that. Nobody now look on the fact say them come and end up lick my son. And when me talk about it, like people say, be a liar till. Be a liar till. You understand? I wonder if you don't realize enough of the time I depend on your son, I not beg $1. When anybody ever realize that? I have my camera up with for hours, just talking to you guys, right? And next me cut and I go play 1-2 game. I may say support the live, but me with the year hours on top of hours talking to people, I mean nah beg. It go to the fact that even when Jaden, you understand me? It go for the fact when even when time Jaden look on me. And that's how me end up started to rate Jaden, because Jaden was one of the person when Jaden looked at me and said to me, say, Annie, you can't depend your life and now beg. Sometimes Jaden will call me. No, that Jaden will text me per WhatsApp. I'm there here I talk to how much people, 2,000, 3,000 people. I'm now beg. And Jaden will text me and say to me, say, listen to me, man. You can't depend your life and not ask the things. Beg, Annie. Play a game. You understand? See how to me see it? But the years on I realize, say, yeah, I want to hate my family, and that's okay. I want to hate me, good girl Annie, because I want to see some have a good heart. I want to see, say, yo, the burning desire we're in a me not stop fight. You understand what I say? When I go see man come in for my youth and a whole heap of people are come talk about a lie them I tell. A lie them I tell. You know, say people come to get to me in the community. People in my own community I said to me, say, Annie, don't run left your place. Because I say if we didn't know that, we are protect your head back. Even last night one of my link them reach out to me. And when man said to me, say, the man said to me, say, honestly, we are going to do something about this. You understand? Because I'm my place, where me come from, and my born ground that. You understand? And me can't go away and run left my place at the end of the day, because that's this somewhere originated from. I feel me place that. Saying it make no sense. Me run left my place at the end of the day. Right? And that this somebody did feel away. Right? Me not really have much moderator, you know. Me not really have much moderator. Let me show you. Me not really have much moderator. I have up on my other page. Don't leave it. Ricardo, me not leave my place. Me not leave my place, you know. But me not go make nobody know what me I do on my place, because I realize that this is the attention there. You get me? But you know one of the biggest fact, It's like me I look on it say, oh nobody not look on it said, yo, them did not tell me to stay at the hospital, right? Them I say stay there, stay there. Everybody I say stay there. All jobbers I say stay there, stay hospital. And nobody not look on the fact say, yo, my thank God. My thank God say me left the hospital and come home. Which part my kids them there. Because I see if me never did do that, and my kids them alone would talk about it. You understand what me I say? Right? If me never did do that, and my kids them alone would talk about it. Nobody now look on the fact when time me there Kingston, when me there Papi. Anybody remember this? Me I wonder if anybody remember this. I want to know be truthful on my platform. I want to know be real. Right? When me there Papi, when time me did go there with that alien Monday, right? Me end up meet up with Jabas, Jaden, Big Seed, and I think D. You understand what me I say? And at the time, me I tell people say man come in for my son. And them end up lick me pitney. And tell me pitney say me them come to. And when me come out and talk it on social media, nobody no believe me. They say I lie me I tell. You see, when you know your own truth, you don't give a fuck for nobody. And it's just the truth. Because if you know your truth, you just go work off of your truth. You know how it feels for hear say man come in for my son and lick my son and ask for me? My son did really traumatize over that. You know how much my son feel and when go through? My son don't even did want for the back of that the yard there. Let me tell you something, girl. I never come tell you nothing. You're there on my platform. I come over your yard. Yeah, me not black. Me sure talk to you before me block you. You dry foot you dry foot girl. But it come over your yard. You know when me come tell you something is when me come over your yard and knock your door and call you out and tell you something. When you come from my page, me talk to my platform. Me I wonder who don't know. Me no come over your yard. So you look on mildew blood. Hey, Father God, they say behave yourself. Tamika, you bitch. Let me get rid of you. Let me get rid of you quick and fast. I'm not going to stop style and this, you know. Yeah. I'm not going to stop style and this, you know. I'm not sub my chat. I'm not going to sub my chat because subbing my chat to me being a coward. You get me? I'm not a coward person. I'm not run from my platform. Right? I'm not going to run from my platform. I have a right for depend on my platform. Being here talking comfortable. So I don't see nobody supposed to tell me said sub the chat or I'm supposed to. I'm not that type of person. One by one me I go take them down. One by one me I go get rid of them. That's all me stay. Right? The more you fight me, the more I push in. So I'm not that type of person that will block out anybody. You get on top of my nerves, either I tell you something or I block you, or I get rid of you. Or I get some good moderator, I say moderator, dash with them girl there. And so me I go deal with it. Me I go sit down because look here, social media is not for the weak. It's not for the weak. Social media is a place where you have to have thick skin. You have to have the brains there. And me love social media, so me have to make sure I'm there so. You understand me? So at the end of the day, I want some good moderator. I say dash with them girl get dash with. Yeah, like come here dash with that girl now. You see me? And some girl come over here so I feel like I can't read. You get what me I say? I'm look down and them just a comment so. But just dash with a girl over there so. I saw me I deal with it. Moderator dash with a girl there. As some want moderator deal with me thing. You understand? So as what me said, right? I said the most important thing to me is to make my kids them comfortable. You understand? You see from my kids them okay, me alright. And one thing I not gonna do, I not gonna run left my place. I see enough of the things them we are going here so are from enough of the people them with on social media. I mean enough of the people them with on social media will say them an influencer. I'm telling you this. Enough of them not go and believe it. Enough of the influencers them a fight against the influencers them. Enough of the people them with on social media here so will say them is an influencer just like myself. I fight against one another. Enough of them a set target for each other. I mean not set target for people, but me I go talk about me. Enough of them a set target for me. Anyway, you see us so. As a bad baby that. Enough of them a set target. Who no want believe that, don't believe that. You understand what me I say? The thing is this what me always a look pan. If there is nothing about me, if I'm just a careless woman, if me is just a nobody, why your people have so much attention towards me? You understand me? I'm just here trying like anybody else. Just like how no want buy local food, I want buy local food too. Just like how no want do something for myself and be happy, I want to do the same thing too as well. So why you same people were so now social media influencers where they up here beg just like me and I try just like me? Why all of you I tear me down this way and my family? Me sit down and me look on it. You get me? Because I bad mind. You understand what I say? Me I go no one for instance and the whole of you go bust up on this. Me I go no one big for instance. I'm not care for no one big so I say Annie don't do that because I have a free mouth to talk. When I say me is a careless mother, right? And I say careless mother, more heap of careless mother depend this one I jump up and so on rate. Because one of the person them were there so, where they on social media we give we our own child. Me know girl pan this we give them pitney when I raise them pitney. Them give up them pitney for a free life. For go do breasts and body. You understand what me I say? I mean I talk about Shay. Shay give a fear pitney like a puss kitten. Shay no raise for her child. You understand what me I say? Shay is nobody of a sort of a mother. Shay can't tell how her pitney raise. You understand what me I say? Me as a mother will run up and down with my pitney. Me and my pitney them beer hungry. You understand what me I say? Sometimes me not have it for even send them go school. But me I talk about a mother will give up them pitney like a puss kitten. We not care about them own pitney. Give them pitney to somebody else to raise. You don't know what is a careless mother? You don't know what is a bad mother? Yeah, me take my phone here so.
Find out where his house is, where he went to school, if he's got
Hello. So is he going to live? Wait, put her down and this is something about the money. Yeah, what's the food? What do you do? Why everybody needs to do this? You want to do some things, eh? Yeah? Zoe, deal with the food. Yeah. Deal with the food then. The one who overnight, get rid of everything from out the kitchen. May I come? Right, sorry about that. I want to know. Hey, anyway. Yes, it's when you have the right to talk about something, you can speak about it because it don't have to be any war. You see when me talk, I'm not really care. You understand me? Me tell you something. You have a saying where them say partner for cuss keckle. Because one of the things, before Shay even they started to say she a lesbian and still doing it, Shay sell pussy. And anybody want bex so no can bex. It's just the truth. You know what me eat? Me eat a private whore. Me eat a private whore. You know a whore we private and pretend? Me eat a private whore. She sell pussy. You understand what me I say? Privately. The same Shay would have fuck a old man in a pampas for him things. Imagine, so disgusting. As a young girl. Shay with thief money for help make up and do her body. You understand what me I say? It's Shay Would I run up and down, say, I come to Jamaica for come look for Brittany Golf. But she won't run up and down for go look for her own child. You understand? So it's enough of them pan this of use your name for your comeback. Only never see Shay create a content yet pan her own. What do you Shay turn up in the stiff body? You know the destroyer body where them say the doctor do? Because Shay thinks that she cute, you know. And the only thing she stand up and she be like this. Because she dash her pin if you want to be a dolly. She dash her own you just to be a dolly. You understand me? That is the only thing where you run down is to be a dolly. Is to be like the rest. Yeah, like you were bad mind Ivani, bad mind Nikki. You get what me I say? Yeah, like you were dig for go up on the top and left your pitney. You're scraping off to go up on the top, you know. But Shay, you forgot your own child. Because when you rise and go up on the top, you feel carry your pitney and go up there with you. You understand what I say? You're like you sit down and bad mind different people, but you not think about your own life. Me never sit down and depend Shay name yet because Shay is nobody to me. You understand what I say? Shay I feel call my name to feel good about herself. You know one of the thing is, have you ever seen Shay on social media make her own content? I'm asking you that when I cuss. You ever see Shay on social media and make her own content? Shay live from people to stay relevant. Look at that. There's a look of bad mind, girl. Remember me tell you. And none of you can't make me feel no way at the end of the day. Because we do anything for me picnic them. Try know that. There's a look of bad mind, girl. And you know one of the thing with you? You see when people talk the truth about your Shay, you run go call people for come either beat up somebody, or you go tell people to take pictures of somebody for disgrace them. You investigate the people them life and mash up them life. What type of woman you is? Shay, when me looking at your eye, me see evil. I swear to you, each time me look upon your Shay, me see evil. The type of evil where in you, people know if come close to your Shay. You understand? And the thing is this, the only time I when me poop, at that the time that you're nyam. How dare you? The only time I when me poop, you can nyam. Look at that. So you're sucking one nobody poop. To get some nurturance. You are fear sucking and nobody poop. To get some nurturance. So you can talk about me. Shay, me I beg you. Tread lightly. You hear me I say to you? You see that woman named Annie? Me no see you. None tall. Now the next person me I go speak about because me soon go wash my plate. And me I go talk about the next person because this is social media. You understand what me I say? You can try to take me down, you know. You can only try. But how it go work? Right? Now the next person me I go talk about, I don't want my people them wanna come and say, Annie, this is social media. You have a right to voice your own opinion. I'm gonna rise up the pressure. Me I talk low. Now look on the fact of Rosealee. You know one of the things, I don't want to body shame you. Because you have nice and clumpy woman. Where them have and them weight and them just nice and round. But look on the fact of you, Rosealee. Always calling my name. Always talking about my kids. Talking about careless mama. Rose, if me is a careless mama, me a sister careless and you are auntie careless. You are the top careless. Remember me tell you that. When you say careless, check your own self, Rosealee. Because Rosealee, you sit down in a chair from noon, from morning go to evening. musty, sweaty, stink, mucky, for the type of body where you carry, that the wagga fat the way you have on your body. Me know you have to take some time and use your hand and part where your skin so. For your mother like you, where sit down and work your own daughter. When you look up underneath your foot, there's some crusty black spot up underneath your neck. Crusty. When you look up underneath your leg, there's some crustiness. Why you not take a time out and scour your body good? Some steel wood. You need some steel wood, some bleach, some Dettol, some Ajax. And take the time out and use your hand and part where your body so. Part where you so. And come so. A time you take for the my name. A time you could have take for your scour down your mucky body. You sit down on the line, moldy, gingy, sour. And you depend people name talking about people careless. You are the top of the careless train. Now look on you now, where Jake take your money, and go buy pussy. Jake take your TikTok money and take it go buy a pussy. Why reason why you go buy pussy? It's because your pussy stink. A man have to take how much time, hours to lift your belly. The man have to is a far cliff, you know, a man have to use and scoot up your belly so to find your pussy. So of course the man go buy some pussy out the road. Me not wrong, Jakes. Me not wrong, Jakes, you know. How was Jakes I take for go betwixt your body, you know. And when that the man they don't know God man. He smell like your queeches. Because you not take care of your body. Of course the man go they go look some fresh meat. The man want a fresh body girl. The man want a girl where her body nice and just fresh and smell good. So of course Jakes have a right to take your money. You sit down in a people business. Mind your own business. You take your mother man and you don't know love. Talking about my daddy fuck me. Your uncle come with false news. Nobody else up on social media cannot say my father ever put him on for me. But you, Rosealee, you fuck your mother, man. You is a drunk crow. There is nothing more than a drunk crow. And the thing is this, how you can say me careless, but you still itch up in your mama house. Pan a little piece of bed, what we see up on. The bed underneath a piece of strain, no blood clot, you know. That bed, that poor bed, that you make good blood clot money, Rosealee. I mean, where you can go buy a good bed. A nice bed with strong no blood clot. Where them bed the name, chat? Where them bed the name? A some all-time blood clot bed you dey pan. A poor bed weak hot. When I bed foot them pop. When I bed foot them pop. They gone. And you dey on social media pretending in one little corner. Your house dirty. Your fan dirty. You don't even get up and clean your own place. By the way, if you not go wash your pussy, you not go clean your house. That's true. If you not go wash your pussy, you go clean your house? No. And you come here and start run up your mouth and a chat. What do you see you go out? Are you in the file paper dress? Right? You're in this file paper dress. Well file out like a jerk, them a keep round a back. Me never know say it's a jerk, them a keep round a back for your birthday. And you roll out in your file paper dress. This is not from Sheen. 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 Hey girl, we don't know say a Sheen, but we don't really care. Like, we not really business if a Sheen. But we know say a supermarket. The whole of the file paper up at the top part you take. No problem. Like you should have strike your little raw soul. You should have go to door in the blood clot sun and like just strike your pussy wall out to you're wicked. Yeah, man. To you is a wicked blood clot. Me not say that. Oh, because I love thick girls, you know. Jesus Christ. You got to know what you're saying. Because I love thick girls. Yeah, man. Line of it strike you. You is a wicked blood clot, woman. Me not lie. You're terrible. I know one of the things is, I don't like to argue with you, Rosealee, because you see for your talk, say, want people pitting if you're dead. You see for your talk about if you take another life. Me not like people like you. Right? You see for your talk about if you take another person's life. Me not rate a person like you. Because you don't give life. So you never wish to take it somebody's life. So I don't like to talk about nobody like you. I say when you not talk about my rotten teeth, my famous rotten teeth, because no found a pussy have rotten teeth in our head. But I want to make sure so you suck it out first before you come talk about it. My rotten teeth are something I'm proud of, I'm good. Yeah, when I go on like rotten teeth are crime. Rotten teeth are no blood clot crime. So me I go say, oh, now go try to take me down on my rotten teeth because me and my rotten teeth now go nowhere. And none of you now come on this come force me for go dentist. Me I go dentist the right and proper time. Yeah. How about that? How about that? When you go call the ambulance, go call the police, call the SWAT team, call the FBI, call the CIA, call the IIA. Make them come from rotten teeth. Since it is a crime. Yeah. And I don't have to shout. Alright? I don't have to shout. Me can't just stay here so. I'm just attack. I'm just walk my mouth and just attack. But I'm not lie to you. Rosealee, me can tell you say your pussy stinker than my mouth. Your pussy stinker than my mouth. Rosealee, I will never class your kids. I will never class your daughter. Me not have that in me. Me could have there some class your picnic them. Me could have not class your child. I'm not gonna do it. To show the type of person who is. Social media make people see the true colors. But people don't want to see it because enough people are hypocrite. On this media, on show the true colors. Because the first thing, Rosealee, I can tell you, say you're bad mind. Your bad mind, bad. You're such a bad mind, bitch. I swear to you, you can't hide it. Rosealee, to all your bad mind, you can't even pretend. That's how much you is a bad mind, greedy motherfucker. And you see, people like you, the Almighty, know what to do with. People like you, may I tell you, the Almighty God know how to deal with one. You understand? You is a bad mind fucking bitch. And it can't change out of you, baby. It can't change, baby. You is. Right? So, I just want to continue watch me. Continue chat. Continue just have my name in the mouth because I'm important. Rosealee, I remember you one time. Back then, about 2 years back. You said me not important to talk about. Do you remember that? I talk to you when that video reach you. Me never business about my chat. And you may look forward to see this. 2 years back, you said I'm not important to speak about that dirty family there. And now the same dirty family you live by with name 24/7. Right? That same dirty woman here. You say you never did want to play a game with. And you end up come play a game with me now, same fucking way. Remember no, man? A lot of people don't want to remember, you know. But me can remember that. Because long time you eat me upon yourself. Long fucking time. Right? So say that to say this. You go continue to see that look of family. Yeah. All who want eat, you continue eat. Yeah, continue. Once a uno own the internet, or maybe a uno pay for the Wi-Fi, or a uno buy my data, continue blood clot eat. Yeah. Very rubbish. Guys, will that show you back? You think say, let me tell you something. I say people sensible, you know. People sensible. Do you really think, said, if I was a wicked person, if I was such a wicked person, you don't think people want for their own me?
Yesterday now, yeah, ball. Yeah, ball said this, yeah, ball said that. Man come in prior this, that, blood clot, this, that. No, all of a sudden today I want cause. Every day the people them tell you, and you go take out your rotten teeth. Me have pressure. I want the pressure, blood clot lick over your pussy hole. Cause every day you come here, me have pressure. Me go take out your thinking rotten blood clot mouth. Your teeth in the head are rotten. Dirty woman. It a sick here.
It a sick her, you know, see she did go.
And every day you come here, me have pressure. But you don't want to take out the blood clot rotten teeth, the thinking mouth where you have.
So she gonna remove the rat out her belly. The
blood clot. Yeah, pressure every day and come here and cuss people every blood clot day. Every day is something different with bumbo clot, yo. Not 10 cent for me, a dirty woman.
We eat you too. Bye. Anywho, back to Annie.
Blood clot. Bella, that not have nothing for me if you eat me. Bella, eating me can't do nothing for blood clot. Me can't never pay my bills.
Them supposed to eat.
Me tell you I live my best blood clot life. So eating a girl no make no sense, Bella.
If you're nice, so.
Bella, eating pan a girl no make no sense. Cause guess what? I still live my best life. It stop nothing for me? What you stop for me, Bella? Tell me. Cause see me right here so today day, yeah? Where it stop for me? You come here, but me alone eat that girl, yeah? None of you alone eat me. I want to other girl. But guess people. What? It no stop nothing for share blood clot. I still live. Me I live my best life.
You're supposed to eat it if you look like that. Anywho,
me I live my best blood clot life. Join the life, bitch.
Annie, learn for beard, please.
Blood clot.
Beard. First thing first, more you do a beard. Beard. Take out the black, them and go tar the road. Give Andrew some because me know it's expensive.
Me say
and
the
you have it in your mouth as riches. So why you don't go mal the road?
So come here now, you know, see teeth in Annie head, baby look like say it a fall out. Like it kinda hang. It give one lick. Understand me what I mean? It have one little hang so. Like the one of the back part, I don't even know if a blood clot describe it. More no, one piece of tissue.
Because the thing is, I don't know.
It's like one eye part hang out so like it a push out. It the teeth a push. I don't even know if a blood clot describe that them out there.
No, but I describe. Baby, I tell you, say I see the teeth and I couldn't eat. You know my stomach easy for sick already. And you know once means to certain things.
Yeah, like it a detached from the gum. It a
So no go down
It's
in
alright, it's alright.
So
Make
no
it
go down
steam.
in me not go down in that. Me want near my food.
It's alright.
Me not go down in any mouth. When me want it do a bed.
Complicated for sure. Leave it alone. Too complicated.
You know bed and you come about Shay every day we are bed. That is the first thing. You know bed. Why you don't go build a toilet you come and look 150,000 but man a look. Why you don't go squeeze out and the 150,000 and you won't bother want the 150?
Right.
Because remember say you can do it. Tell yourself that I can do it.
Simple.
You, Zoe, me can line up. $150 that.
But man come in a house
50-50 each.
Man come in a house that demands 150,000. Just gone, just so.
None of
Who
them.
the blood clot no Jamaica run. Man just come in your house and demands 150,000. I just left with a just so.
And just leave.
Just leave, sir.
And Annie, you ever have shit at store and you know fling some shit on the man and you store shit because remember you have them pack up in a bag, you know. Remember, you know them bag ice when people usually catch water for make ice and so you have shit store up and you know fling some shit on the man and you have it in a storage. Come on, Annie. 150 what a shit you could have give him. 150.
Man just go away just so. Man come demands 150,000 because them see ya get lion pan TikTok. And then after that the man just left. Him not gain no date.
Him not come back.
Him not tell you when him a come back.
That you can prepare the shit them.
Cause normally man go on a date and tell you say me need 150,000 by Friday and me a give you 1 week. Cause the blood clot you too lie. Cause suck your mama.
Ever look something.
Yesterday you know get the money from the people them know you come here for blood clot. Me you can't come by me. Cause me can't make you get 150,000. Me not ask.
But she can go so good with rotten teeth a long time.
My name can't get the 150,000. So come like somebody tell us say go and go call Shay, we get it. From who? You're that dead force. And when the people them not like me, them not give you. Me not ask.
150. You know one suck on him forget that.
Stink boy you come by sure. You can't come by sure. No big pussy ladder, but girl can't come by sure. No blood clot, long time fuck out all man. We send out them pitney go sell out them pussy can't come by blood clot sure. Oh.
And sell out them throat.
Cause bad to bad, me a woman and if me have one daughter with big like blood clot your one. And so my daughter couldn't if me see OJ then deal with people and whatever, my daughter couldn't sleep. They crazy. Me not force on my opinion on that. Cause me don't see who is Jaden and how Jaden stay and how him react. Tell blood clot me, you sell Anna to people. I make the people them think say Anna is them blood clot pitney.
And then one come wear the clothes. And just through the pitney make you wear the
When
clothes.
you tell the people them about act like our father.
Yeah.
And we know your real father but act like say your father. Because them have money, you don't want to go good school, you don't want to wear good clothes. Go suck your mother, Annie. You can't come to me about no motherhood. And you sell out your blood clad, pity them fully clad nothing. You stink.
If you go act in one whole entire family if you live a lie.
Go you send your daughter, as she taught the story.